Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. A sleep diary is a helpful tool allowing individuals to record their sleep habits. This valuable resource provides detailed insights into a person's sleep patterns, such as when they go to bed, how long it takes for them to fall asleep, the number of awakenings during the night, and their feelings of refreshment upon waking. Decades of research and clinical practice have affirmed the value of sleep diaries. For example, a 2012 study published in Sleep demonstrated that self-monitored sleep diaries provide a standardized, valid, and reliable data collection method that compares favorably with advanced technological approaches like actigraphy. By diligently tracking these sleep parameters over time, it's possible to identify any potential issues or irregularities that could indicate sleep disorders, stress, or other health concerns. These insights can guide targeted interventions and contribute to more effective personalized patient care. To use our free sleep diary, follow these steps. Download our sleep diary from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Start by explaining to the patient what a sleep diary is and how it can help identify sleep disorders or unhealthy sleep patterns. Hand over the sleep diary to your patient. Ensure they understand all the sections and what they should record under each one. Instruct your patient to keep the diary by their bedside and fill it out every morning upon waking. Stress the importance of documenting every day, even if their sleep was poor or if they didn't sleep at all. Ask your patients to bring the diary to each appointment. This allows you to monitor progress, understand their sleep patterns, and make recommendations based on recorded data. Finally, after a suitable period, analyze the information in the sleep diary. Use it to pinpoint specific issues and create a treatment plan if necessary. Provide the patient with feedback and actionable steps to improve their sleep. Here is a sample of our sleep diary, which you can find in our Carepatron platform. To find our sleep diary, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.